A solar gate opener is a modern solution harnessing renewable energy to automate the process of opening and closing gates. Utilizing solar panels to capture energy from the sun, these systems offer a sustainable alternative to traditional electric gate openers. They are designed to provide convenience and efficiency while reducing dependency on grid electricity, making them both environmentally friendly and cost-effective. In this video, we will show you guys the 7 best solar gate openers you could buy now. You can easily decide which is best for you. So, without wasting any more time, let's jump to the video. Number 7. Ghost Controls TSS-1XP. The Ghost Controls TSS-1XP can easily manage gates up to 20 inches wide and weigh up to 900 pounds. Each opener comes with a remote featuring 3 buttons, allowing you to control up to 3 gates. With a range of 1,000 feet, you can operate the gates from a distance. The opener also includes innovative technologies like Safe Force and Ghost Code. Safe Force ensures the gate opens with just the right amount of force to prevent damage. Meanwhile, Ghost Code technology ensures that only authorized remote transmitters and sensor systems can control your gate, safeguarding it against hacking attempts. The opener is powered by a 12-volt battery. This gate openers are constructed for years of reliability with smooth and quiet operation, an 18-month assurance on kit, and limited lifetime assurance on the motor and gear assembly ETL listed. Number 6. Mighty Mule MM371W. The Mighty Mule MM371W is a strong and versatile solution that works well with different types of gates, like chain link and wood. It can handle gates up to 16 feet long, excluding solid surface gates. The easy-to-use design makes installing it simple. It can use solar power, making it eco-friendly. You need to add the FM123 solar panel for charging the battery. This gate opener works well in all kinds of weather, from cold, -5 degrees Fahrenheit, to very hot, 160 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it stays reliable throughout the year. This gate opener is designed in California and crafted with quality in North America. It comes with gate opener, remote, control box, hardware, and access to helpful tech support. The gate opener is compatible with a 12V marine or automotive gate opener battery, FM150, sold separately. It comes with 1-year warranty. Number 5. GC Ghost Controls TDS-2XP. The GC Ghost Controls TDS-2XP is designed for easy gate automation, suitable for dual swing gates up to 900 pounds or 12 feet long. One notable feature is its 10-watt solar panel, promoting energy efficiency. Installing this kit is easy. You only need basic tools. It also works with third-party devices for smartphone app control. Enjoy smooth and reliable gate operation with the GC Ghost Controls gate opener. It includes an 18-month warranty on the kit. With a remote range of up to 1,000 feet and quiet performance, it ensures seamless access control. It is compatible with third-party devices and provides the ability to control your battery-powered automatic gate opener using a smartphone app. This opener are constructed for years of reliability with smooth and quiet operation, an 18-month assurance on kit, and limited lifetime assurance on the motor and gear assembly ETL listed. Number 4. TOPENS PW502. The TOPENS PW502 is easy to use and reliable, giving you convenience. This opener works with gates up to 16 feet long. It runs with its 24 VDC 50W motor, making 50 dB of noise for a peaceful atmosphere. It has 0.07 horsepower. The battery in this device is a type called lithium metal. It also has a gentle start and stop feature for added safety. It works with different types of gates like steel, wood, vinyl, panel, tube, and chain link. It can be plugged in, AC powered, use the sun, solar compatible with a 20W solar panel you can add, or rely on a backup battery, 24V 12Ah, when needed. The Auto Close feature secures your property after you leave. And the Soft Start and Soft Stop function extends the motor's lifespan. The manual release key including, is for backup use. The package includes two M12 remote controls for added convenience. It comes with 1-year warranty. Number 3. COZ 3,300 pounds Automatic Sliding Gate Opener. The COZ 3,300 pounds Automatic Sliding Gate Opener is a modern solution that handles gates weighing up to 40 feet long. This opener is built strong with good quality steel and has a tough ABS cover, bringing together durability and advanced technology for excellent performance. It has a strong 550W electric motor that makes the gate move quickly and smoothly at a speed of 42 feet per minute, ensuring fast and efficient operation. This gate opener is all about making things easy and secure. The infrared sensor ensures automatic closing and obstacle detection, enhancing safety and reliability. It also has extra features, like working with solar panels and driveway alarms. This gate opener automatically closes after opening but reverses operation if any obstacles are detected by the infrared sensor, and the system's frequency encryption technology also protects your remote controls from spoofing and keeps your gate secure against intruders. It also comes with 1-year warranty. Number 2. TOPENS AD5S. The TOPENS AD5S is equipped with two stable 24 VDC 50W motors and effortlessly operates medium-duty dual-swing gates up to a max of 550 pounds in weight or max 16 feet in length per gate leaf. This ultra-quiet electric gate motor ensures convenient and comfortable gate operation, enhancing your family's lifestyle. AD5S is compatible with various types of dual-swing gates. You can open the gate inward or outward depending on your preferences. It works great in residential areas, courtyards, ranches, farms, etc. The installation process is easy, and you only need the basic tools to install. Please refer to the user manual or the installation video for step-by-step guidance. These remotes utilize advanced TOPENS code technology, providing multiple protection against unauthorized access and ensuring safety. The reliable electromagnetism limit switch can be easily adjusted. The stop and reverse function is used for obstacle detection in the process of gate operation. Number 1. Mighty Mule MM371W. The Mighty Mule MM371W is known for its excellent performance, is worth considering. It's designed for dual swing gates up to 40 feet long and weighing up to 2,200 pounds. Powered by solar energy, it's eco-friendly and cost-effective. It has a programmable auto-close function for convenience and security. Its 24V DC motor ensures smooth operation for residential or commercial use. The kit includes 30W/24V solar panels, promoting energy efficiency. Additionally, it comes with a remote control and keypad. With its robust build and dependable performance, it provides a long-lasting solution. It offers the functionality and user-friendliness required for smooth gate operation. Easily make this into a solar gate opener with the Mighty Mule 10W solar panel and use it to charge the gate battery. Make sure to check the description box for all the links regarding the mentioned. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We will be back with more videos soon.